right now with engineer CEO at satardaybatteries.com. Mzee Jevali.
This is how we make ends meet.
Explain to us, what are you doing right now?
We are just repairing this battery.
Yeah, he's just repairing the battery. That's the terminal, eh? So, what else are you going to do to this battery? What is the problem?
We are going to charge it.
The aim is to charge and to repair. So you find this work at Mr. Saturday battery charging and repairing. We sell new batteries, and then we also do all the repairing. We are located in Klembe Kota right here. Yeah, this is our charging system right here. This is how we do things here at Mr. Saturday workshop. This is the workshop. So come at our costs. Our costs are low. Mr. Saturday, this is the location. We have another man here, operator called Mr. Bashir. Assalamu alaikum. What do you say to the audience out there?
Nothing much to say. Let the customers come, we serve them the best.
Okay.
Yeah, mashallah.
You're together with Arrows Records and Studios, Kansla Records and Entertainment. Arrows Records forever. Peace and love. Come for our services at a low cost here. Yeah, we work with people. That's why we are talking to you right here.